Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for old Hambone in Kentucky, the Stryker 447 HPC2. Hambone, we got ready to go for you, bud. Our tune and alignment. Got it rocking and rolling. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 50-watt slug. Set it up 2 watts all the way down, so if you got a little 4-pole amp or something you need to run, you can. Or you can run her wide open at 15 watts of carrier. Show you average power swing real quick. Low, about 44 bird. 100-watt slug in PEP. Low, about 90 watts PEP. Hambone, you're going to enjoy it. This sucker will fit right up in any slot that a 25 will fit in or bigger, and you'll be good to go. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.